In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an interactive timeline in PowerPoint step by step. Whether you're building a presentation for school, work, a project update, or even a company history, an interactive timeline can make your slides look more professional, more engaging, and much easier to follow. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also show you how to customize the design so it really stands out. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open Microsoft PowerPoint. You can use the desktop version or PowerPoint Online, whichever you prefer. Once you're inside PowerPoint, open a new blank presentation or open an existing presentation where you want to add your interactive timeline. Now, go to the top menu and click on Insert. The Insert tab is where you'll find all the elements you can add to your slide, including images, charts, shapes, and SmartArt graphics. Inside the Insert tab, click on SmartArt. This is a powerful feature in PowerPoint that allows you to quickly create professional-looking diagrams, processes, and timelines without designing everything from scratch. When the SmartArt window opens, look for the category that includes timeline graphics. Depending on your version, this may appear under Process. Click on the timeline layout that best fits your needs. For example, you can choose a basic timeline or a more detailed timeline layout. Once you've selected it, click OK. Your timeline will now appear on the slide. You'll see a text pane that says Type your text here. Click inside that area and start entering your timeline information. Each bullet point represents a milestone or date. You can add dates, events, project phases, or any key moments you want to highlight. To add more points to your timeline, press Enter inside the text pane. PowerPoint will automatically add new milestones to your timeline. This makes it very easy to expand or adjust your content as needed. Now let's make it interactive and visually appealing. Click on the SmartArt graphic itself to activate the SmartArt Design tab at the top. Once you click on SmartArt, you'll see additional customization options appear in the toolbar. Next, click on Change Colors. This allows you to instantly apply different color schemes to your timeline. Choose a color combination that matches your brand, theme, or presentation style. After that, click on SmartArt Styles. These styles add effects like shadows, 3D looks, and polished designs. Hover over the different styles to preview how your timeline will look, then click on the one you like best. Now let's adjust the size so it fits your slide perfectly. Click on Width in the toolbar and adjust it to stretch your timeline across the slide if needed. Then click on Height to make it taller or shorter depending on your layout. Resizing helps ensure your content is clear and easy to read. You can also click on Layouts in the SmartArt Design tab to explore alternative timeline structures. If you want a slightly different arrangement, simply choose another layout and PowerPoint will automatically transform your existing content in the new design. To make your timeline more interactive during a presentation, you can add animations. Go to the Animations tab, select your timeline, and choose an animation like Fade or Wipe. Then use the Effect options to animate the timeline one milestone at a time. This allows you to click through each event during your slideshow, creating a more engaging and interactive experience for your audience. And that's it. You now know how to create an interactive timeline in PowerPoint, customize its design, adjust its size, and even animate it for a more dynamic presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.